Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Glad to have you here today. I just got something in the mail that I ordered in this box, and you can't really tell what it is yet, but I'm going to open it up right here, and it says, Beauty is an Attitude. Estee Lauder. I love their theme. I love that. I think it's true. I love that beauty is an attitude, and so anyway, yes, I got a little package from Estee Lauder. It happens to be, I made a purchase and happened to get a free bag and products, which I do often because I love their foundation. That's what I wear all the time. And so sometimes when they have a cute bag with some extra skincare, I will go for it. So anyway, let's just get to it. Okay, friends. First of all, I want to thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support. If you would like to support my channel, you can hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, do those things. I would so appreciate it. And so here we go. So we got, anyway, this has a QR code on it. I guess it'll tell more about it. Getting in here, I've got the bag. Here's the darling bag. I'm just going to show it to you because the products are in here. I love pink. I love it with the gold here. It's just got a gold, a pretty gold frame with the Estee Lauder. Anyway, I like the size of the bag. It's kind of a good size. So anyway, it's got the beautiful zipper pull there. You see that? Estee Lauder. And then you open it up and it's just also pink inside. So it came with a thank card that tells about the products that are in here. So it says in great taste. If you want to read that, you can click on it. I just, my eyes aren't great, so I'm not going to attempt it. So there we go. And then this has what products are in here. And so I'm just going to pull them out as we go. They always have these, and this is what I use. I get these free, and then I have enough serum to last me throughout the year just from getting all these samples. So anyway, the first thing is this, I think this might be a face wash. Let me see what this is. This is the Advanced Night Cleansing Gelée. Okay, so there's that. And that's a decent size. Good travel size. This is their Advanced Night Repair. Use this serum every night. I love it. It's a great serum. Anyway, so there's that. And then this is their Revitalizing Supreme. This is kind of their moisturizer. There's a look at it. Just a light, fresh, not a very strong scent at all, just a little one. And then also in this, they didn't give the eye cream. A lot of times they'll give the eye cream, but it came with a lipstick and, okay, I guess this is a lip gloss. So we got the lipstick here. It's in a really pretty kind of a pink color. Oh, I like it. That's me. So there's the color. And the lip gloss is, just has the, anyway, I like these kind of lip glosses. So it's, oh, it has a little bit of color to it too. So it's just a light colored gloss right there. So there's the two. So has these two. It has the cleansing cream, the moisturizer, the night serum. So it came with these 5 items. These are the free items I got. So anyway, and I spent $50 on my foundation. I do 2 different kinds of foundations. This one is just the one in the bottle. So anyway, got that, another backup. I'm almost done with one of them. And then they also sent me this sample that was a free sample of perfume. And this perfume is called, let's see here. It's called Desert Eden. So it smells really good. I've never smelled this one yet. So I'm going to go right here. Whoops. It smells really good. I really like that. It doesn't say on here what the scent's, what it is, but ooh, that smells so good. I used to love Estee Lauder scents. It's been a while since I found one I really liked. Oh, that smells good. Okay, so and so anyway, I bought this, got all this free. I think it was worth it. It was, you know, very much worth it. I think it just cost me like $50 plus tax or something, and I got all this. So anyway, love Estee Lauder. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, I do have a code or a link down below if you're interested. So it's in my description. So anyway, thanks for being here, and I love your support. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of Estee Lauder. So I will see you guys all in the next one. Okay, friends. Bye-bye.